Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by samsbeauty.com. So I want to say thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending over this beautiful hair that I am rocking right now. So if you want to learn more about this hair and how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
My gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on me, yeah.
Alright you guys, I just wanted to show you what the hair looked like when I first got it. I did make this wig using a dome cap. I actually had to make this wig 2 times. The first time I made this wig, I was trying something different and I used a different cap and I wasn't happy with the way that it turned out. So I went ahead and took all the tracks off of that cap and then I went ahead and put it on a spandex cap. But I knew from making the first wig that I really was not crazy about the closure, you guys. The closure just didn't have a natural enough look for me. You couldn't see the lace in the parting. All you could see was the hair just kind of like bumped over and I didn't like that look at all. So I went to my local beauty supply store and I found another closure. I do have a clip so I can show you what that closure looked like before I installed it.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold.
So what I actually did was I installed all the bundles and the tracks onto this unit and then I still had a lot of space at the top, so I actually cut that first closure, the first one that matched this hair. I cut it in half and I laid it on either side of this new closure that I went and got from the beauty supply store. So this is the new closure. Underneath here on either side is a piece of the original closure and then all the bundles of hair. So as you can see, this new closure is a different color. I will be color correcting it. I will be bleaching it. This closure is human hair and so I will go ahead and bleach it to just lighten it to this shade so that the whole unit matches and blends well. But I did want to come to you guys and show you this unit before I colored it. Now I do want to straighten it a little bit more because you can kind of see that it's bumped differently.
So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is...
Alright, so I definitely think that looks better. I think this unit would look good with some baby hairs and with a little powder in the part. I'm not wearing any lipstick right now because I do have some lipsticks that I'd like to show you. Pretty Face Cosmetics did send me a bunch of new lipsticks and they also sent me some lashes. This is the little package that they sent me. They also sent me a 10% off coupon code for you guys if you would like to purchase some of these lipsticks that I will be showing you all. So I'm super excited about these Demi matte. So I'm not sure what Demi matte liquid lippies are, but we'll see. I'm guessing that they're not fully matte, so they're like a texture in between matte and gloss, I guess. So these are the shades that I was sent. So let's go ahead and try them out. Oh, they have like a very effervescent smell, almost like peppermint. So this one is creamsicle. Obviously you would want to wear this one with a liner. This one is Downtown Beauty by MY WIGS. The texture feels super comfortable to wear. And the smell is still there. It has a very strong smell. It smells like peppermint or eucalyptus or something. It smells good, but I'm just saying it's definitely strong, and I feel like I can smell it, and I feel like other people would probably be able to smell it as well. It doesn't look like it's stained at all. Let's move on to the next color. This one is called Beachin'. Very pigmented. I don't care for the applicator. I feel like I can feel the texture of the applicator while I'm putting it on my lips, and I don't care for that. And I also feel like I have to dip a lot. And I know somebody's gonna say, because Jess, you know, your lips are humongous. But no, there are other lipsticks that I don't have to dip that much to cover these humongous lips. It's the applicator. A lot of pigmentation for a demi matte. I'm impressed. I mean, this lipstick is full coverage. Like, it's not playing. Very pretty. Now let's move on. And the next one that we're gonna do is Hot. Hot. I love this color. I wouldn't even wear a liner with this color. And what I actually like about these lippies is your lips still feel very hydrated. That eucalyptus or peppermint smell is really giving me like this effervescent type of vibe, where I feel like my lips are not being dried out. Very cute. These are definitely staining. And for the last one, this one is called PRETTEA. And this one I will wear without a lip liner too. And that is the last one, you guys. I'm going to put a little powder in my part. All right, you guys, so overall I definitely love this hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. The color is amazing, just like it is. This hair is 100% human hair. It can be dyed, bleached, and all that. So I will definitely be changing this hair to a different color. Let me know what color you guys think I should do for this unit. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from all sides. Alright guys, so again, you can find this hair on samsbeauty.com. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you want to check out this hair, then definitely click the description box. And if you want to learn more about this lipstick company, definitely check the information bar. I'll leave that down there as well. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, where you can get the scoop on all the hair, the makeup, the events, everything that I'm doing before I do it here on YouTube. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mo.